Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ansible provisioning for VPS setup step by step clearly. To enable Ansible provisioning for your VPS setup, start by ensuring that you have a working VPS instance. Log into your VPS via SSH using your terminal. Once logged in, update your system packages with the command sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. Next, install Python if it is not already installed by running sudo apt install python 3y. Now, install pip, the Python package manager, using sudo apt install python 3 pip y. With pip installed, proceed to install Ansible by executing pip3 install Ansible. Verify the Ansible installation by checking its version with the command Ansible version. Create a directory for your Ansible project using dir/Ansible project. Navigate to this new directory with cd/Ansible project. Inside the directory, create an inventory file by running touch inventory. Open the inventory file in a text editor such as Nano by typing nano inventory. In the inventory file, define your VPS host by adding the line your _VPS _IP _address Ansible _SSH _user equals your _username. Replace your _VPS _IP address with your VPS's actual IP address. Replace your _username with the username you used to log in to your VPS. Save and close the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and enter. Next, create an Ansible playbook file by running touch playbook.yml. Open the playbook file in your text editor with nano playbook.yml. Begin your playbook by defining the YAML structure, starting with. Add a name for your playbook by specifying name, provision VPS. Next, indicate the hosts for the playbook to target by writing hosts all. Then, set the user with remote_user, your _username. Under the tasks section, add your desired tasks, for example, tasks, name, update the system. For the system update task, include apt update _cache, yes cache _valid _time, 3600. Save and close the playbook file. To run your Ansible playbook, return to the terminal and execute Ansible playbook I inventory playbook.yml. Ansible will connect to your VPS and execute the tasks defined in your playbook. Monitor the results in your terminal for any errors or successful executions. Once your tasks have completed, your VPS will be provisioned according to your specifications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.